My wife had called and said there was this crazy storm coming through Des Moines. We basically had hurricane speed, straight line winds that stretched 770 miles. There are roofs with shingles missing, fences blown down, but as far as functionally installed products, with combination of the fasteners and the Armor Zone technology and the IKO Dynasty and Nordic lines, they're designed for wind resistance. Everything came out tip-top shape. I'm David Kluender. I am the branch manager for the Des Moines and Cedar Rapids branches of Apple Roofing here in Iowa. Apple Roofing is a residential and commercial roofing company. We specialize in roofing and gutters. One of our goals as a roofing company is to change customers' perspectives and ideals of what a roofing company is by using premium materials, and that will be there every step of the way.
We had the derecho come through, which was winds of excess of 100 miles an hour. It managed to blow trees that are decades old, put down power lines, and rip roofs and shingles off of people's houses. I personally recommend IKO shingles to all the homeowners that I help. It's been proven and proven with the storms that we've had come through and the long longevity that we've done with homeowners.
We had some IKO shingles put on by Apple Roofing, and not a single shingle blew off. All things considered, our house and our roof, pretty amazing.
It was scary. The rain was coming in the window and 2 feet onto the floor. Many had lost electricity for over 2 weeks. My new roof that Apple Roofing put on using the IKO Dynasty shingles stayed strong, and there was absolutely no damage. I was so happy.
At the end of the day, our customer experience is the most important thing to us. It's who's under the roof that matters the most, not just the roof.